Hello friends, Namaste. I am Laksh Gargav and welcome to my new video. Today we are going to perform a new experiment related to acid, bases and salts. You all are familiar with acid, bases and salt, about their properties, about their uses. So let's see how we are going to do that. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon to get latest update of my video. Here let's see what we want. Let's see the properties as well as the uses. First, let comes to acid. Acid tastes sour. Acid are corrosive in nature. It reacts with base to form salt and water. Next comes bases. Bases taste bitter. Bases are soapy to touch but corrosive. It reacts with acid to give salt and water. Next comes our salt. Salt tastes salty, as we all know. It is produced or it is formed when an acid reacts with a base, that we all know. And for your information, let me tell you that this reaction is called neutralization reaction when an acid reacts with a base. It is neutral in nature. Now let's come indicator. Indicators are used to identify whether a given substance is acid or a base. For example, turmeric China roses. We have turmeric with us. Let's see the reaction. When acid reacts with the base to form salt and water. So let's see what we have. Carbonic acid, calcium hydroxide, sodium chloride, potassium hydroxide, milk of magnesia, that is magnesium oxide, then sodium bicarbonate. When we add acid to turmeric solution, there is no change. When we add base to turmeric solution, it becomes red. Experiment. I wore my glass as well as mask with rubber gloves, so I will be safe while performing my activity. So let's see what we have. This is salt. This is our washing soda. This is our acid, or you can say harpic, organic harpic. This is our turmeric. There we have polo. At last, I will be adding acid to this carbonic acid. This polo to carbonic acid. Then we have milk of magnesia, that is ENO, baking soda, calcium hydroxide I will dissolve in. Okay, then we have water to dissolve as well as some spoon. So let's see. Let's add some water to it. Remember, we should always add water to acid and we should add it slowly. It is highly exothermic reaction, you can see. It is a chance for the solution to splash out. It can even hurt us too. Now add acid water to this. These are called alkalis, which dissolves completely in water. The bases, which completely dissolve in water, are called alkalis. You can see it is completely dissolved. So I am keeping it here. Okay, I will keep the turmeric here. As well as I have salt solution also with me. You can see it is also completely mixed. Then we are going to make this calcium hydroxide. See. It's getting hot. Okay. Where's the spoon? You must be thinking why I am using this plastic container. I can use metallic container also. Then why I am using this? This is because acid are corrosive in nature and they dissolve metal also. That's why they are stored in plastic as well as the glass. So here I have completely dissolved this. It's too cold. Okay. Then we take carbonic acid. Okay. First, let us dissolve calcium hydroxide with Harpic solution. Let's see whether it is formed or not. Salt and water are formed or not. Wait. Yeah, okay. I've taken this. Then I will take this. Yeah. Let us wait for some time. You can see salt and water are formed. Can you see? Okay. Now let's take milk of magnesia and carbonic acid. Let's add this acid as well as this solution. Yeah, I can see the container. It's hard to touch. You can see what is found. It's something like coffee. It smells good. Now let's take this potassium hydroxide. Wait. Now let's check whether this is a base or an acid. I am not able to recognize what is this. So let's check it. Wait, let me clean it first. Now it's cleaned. Okay. Yeah. So let's check whether this is a base or an acid. So let's first put in a solution here, and then we would dissolve this turmeric because it is an indicator. So while putting this, you can see the color has been changed. See, it has become reddish brown. Okay, let me dissolve more. Let me dissolve it more. Yeah. Okay. You can see reddish brown color form. Are you able to see that? The color has been changed. The color has changed from yellow to orange, orangish red. You can clearly see the color change. This shows that this calcium hydroxide is a base according to our theory. Now I have another salt solution. Let's dissolve our salt solution in turmeric powder. It is neutral, so you can see no change. Now let's dissolve again a calcium hydroxide. You can see a brown color form. Are you able to see that? Now we are going to dissolve this potassium hydroxide solution. Before we took what? Calcium hydroxide. Now let's check this. See, you can see the color change. It's yellow first, and as soon as I dissolve, you can see the color change. See the reddish color. So this shows that potassium hydroxide is also a base. Now it's time to see what happens when we dissolve this Polo into this Coca-Cola. You have seen many experiments that it spells out. Put all. Let me put more acid. Okay. You can see the bubbles are forming. See, slowly it's rising. See the foam? Slowly it rises. This happens when you eat Mentos or Polo after drinking Coca-Cola or any cold drink. This is the product formed. You can see. Hope you enjoyed this. Bye bye. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye. We will meet in our next video.